Going on, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we are back at one of our existing clients' houses. We are in Lockwood. We are installing a fountain here today. They picked this thing out from an artist, had it shipped over here. We have a concrete footer that we need to kind of anchor this thing onto, or at least set it onto, because it is very top heavy. I want to make sure this thing is nice and solid on the base that it is resting on here. So we're going to go ahead and drop in our liner and get everything prepped, and then we actually have one of the other landscape companies that we've been working with here on the property. They are going to take care of putting in the concrete and the cinder blocks and getting all of that side of it prepped, and then we're going to come back in here, install the fountain once they get that all done. So a little bit of a two-part thing that we have going on here today. One of the main focal points that we want to take in mind with this fountain here is Frank's office is up in, not this window, but up above that there, and we want to make sure that we have a good viewing angle on that, and then we also have a patio space and a lot of other good spots down here where we're going to be able to see and enjoy the fountain from. We have our reservoir all excavated and our liner and underlayment all in there. So we are ready for the concrete guys to go ahead and come in and get that all situated to where we can come back and get this all finished up. The other guys were in here doing their concrete work. David is finishing up getting the pipe all stubbed in here and the last little bit of concrete that we need to get in. But basically we have a foundation now to go ahead and set our fountain pieces on. Got our fountain pieces all over here. This thing is about 9 feet tall, and basically the pieces are going to stack on top of each other, and we are going to run a piece of metal pipe through the middle of it and kind of tie it all together to give it a little bit of extra security and stability. We're going to go ahead and jump into it, see if we can get this done.